Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn computer lesson number 1, knowing the computer. Okay, knowing the computer means you're going to learn about computer. What is computer all about? Okay, what is a computer? The different parts of a computer make up the computer system. Basically, computer is an electronic device which store a large amount of data and information. Okay, so different parts of computer make up a computer system. Just like our body, human body, we have, as a human body, we have different parts like hand, leg. Okay, these are our body parts. The same way, computer also has different parts in it. Like, see, these are the different parts of a computer. Okay, these different parts make up a computer system. Okay, so different part has its own name, but the whole unit is called computer, mix up of all the parts. Okay, and there is an additional information given here. Charles Babbage is regarded as the father of computer. Okay, if anybody asks who is the father of computer, Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage is regarded as the father of computer. Okay, so moving on to the important parts of a computer. A computer consists of 4 main parts: CPU, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. All of them together make up a computer system. All the parts are connected to the CPU through wires. Okay, so I have already told you there are different parts in a computer system. See, this is CPU, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Okay, these 4 parts, okay, make together a computer system. You got it? Okay, all of them together make up a computer system. Okay, each part has different name. Like first one is, this is CPU, this is monitor, this is keyboard, then this is mouse. Okay, if you take it separately, it is called CPU. Okay, but the whole system is called computer system. Okay, these all systems are connected with wire in CPU. Okay, CPU and monitor, everything is connected through wires called cables. Okay, now we will learn each part separately. Okay, first one is CPU. CPU is a abbreviation for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer system. It controls all other parts like mouse, monitor, and keyboard. These parts are connected to the CPU through wires called cables. It does all the calculations and display the result on the monitor. CPU stores a lot of information. A CPU consists of 3 main parts: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic unit. Okay, so what is CPU? CPU is an abbreviation. Okay, Central Processing Unit. Okay, this is CPU. What is the extension of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay, and this is also called the brain of a computer. Okay, without this the computer cannot run, because all the control is inside the CPU, and this CPU is connecting everything, every other parts like mouse, monitor, keyboard, all these parts through cables. Okay, these all parts are connected to CPU, and CPU do all the calculations and do all the work and display it to the monitor. Okay, fine. So this CPU consists of 3 parts. So already I have told you, computer has 4 main parts. Okay, the first one is CPU, and CPU has 3 main parts. One is memory unit and control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, fine. So next, moving on to next part, monitor. So as all of you know, this is called monitor. Okay, the monitor looks like a television screen. The monitor displays pictures, text, videos, etc. A monitor is also known as VDU. Okay, visual display unit. There are four types of monitor: CRT, LCD, LED, and TFT monitor. Okay. So CPU has three main parts. Monitor also has four main types. Okay, and monitor is look like a computer, television, right? See, looks like a television, and there are four types of monitors. First one is CRT, LCD, LED, and TFT. Okay, so we will learn it separately, and we can know the extension of the short form and their uses. Okay, CRT monitor. CRT means cathode ray tube. Monitors are big in size and consume more power. See, this is CRT. It's an old model. You might have seen in the offices, even in school lab. You can see this computer lab. Okay, in the next video I will show you the computer lab, and manually I will show all the parts. Okay, physically we can see that. Okay, so this is called CRT monitor, and it consumes more power. Okay, and then next one is LCD monitor. See, this is LCD monitor. Okay, and a liquid crystal display. Okay, these monitors are flat and consume very less power. So LCD monitor, what is the benefit of LCD monitor? It is very flat type and consumes less power. Okay, and third one is LED monitor, light emitting diode. This is LED. Okay, and these monitors are flat. They use LED to illuminate the screen. Means it has light in it, so it gives more light and brightness. Okay, and TFT monitor, thin film transistor monitor, are flat. These monitors also a flat monitor. See, TFT monitors very flat in size. Okay, they use they provide the best resolution but are expensive. So these monitors are more expensive, but its result is very good result it gives. Okay, the resolution will be very clear. Okay, whatever we see on this monitor, it will be very clear and specific. Okay, moving on to the next main part of a computer, that is keyboard. Okay, a keyboard is used to write on the computer. It has small buttons called keys on it. We type using keys. These keys are used to give instruction to the computer. They are categorized as the alphabet key, number key, and special keys. Okay, see, keyboard has many keys. See, this is a keyboard. Okay, it has many keys. Okay, in the next part I will show you physically keyboard, monitor, everything. Okay, so here we will learn the theory, then we will go to the lab and show you all the parts of a computer in a physical mode. Okay, and a keyboard is used to write on a computer, just like we write on a copy with pen or pencil. So keyboard is a tool to write on a computer. Okay, it has small buttons that is called keys. Okay, these are keys of the keyboard. Okay, and they are categorized as a alphabetical key, number keys, and special keys. See, it has different keys, right? See, here one sets of key, here also. See, every sets are divided. Okay, means categorized. Okay, so these keys are categorized as alphabetical key, okay, the number keys, and some special keys. You got it? Fine. Okay, moving on to the next part. Yeah, this is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device, it is used to point and select an item shown on the monitor. The mouse usually has two buttons and a wheel in between. Mouse is usually kept on a mouse pad to prevent it from dust. See, this is mouse. The name comes because it looks like a mouse, literal mouse, okay? And on which the mouse is kept is called mouse pad. Okay, this is called mouse pad. We use mouse pad to prevent it from dust. Okay, it has three buttons. Okay, it has two buttons and one wheel in between. Okay, two buttons, left key and right key, and the middle one is a wheel. Okay, in the middle. Okay, this is called a pointing device. Say it again. Mouse is a pointing device. Okay, fine.